Welcome to a peaceful valley retreat along Little Willow Creek. Enjoy your morning coffee while listening to the sounds of birds, watching wildlife from the deck, and taking in the beauty of the Driftless at its finest. Inside, large windows and skylights fill the home with natural light, while the spacious kitchen and open living area create a welcoming place to gather. The home features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, including a private primary suite with a bathroom, soaking tub, and direct access to the deck. A detached garage workshop with its own bathroom adds flexibility for hobbies. Uphill behind the home, wooded ridges rise above the valley, creating a scenic, protected backdrop and supporting the area's abundant wildlife. This is Justin with Land Guys. Reach out to Luke or myself if you have any questions or you'd like to see this property.